grade 4. Welcome to online classes. I am your computer science teacher Hira. Beta, today we are covering our assignment number 6 from chapter number 2. Okay. Before covering assignment number 6, I will acknowledge that what we have covered. Beta, I told you that there are a special application or software called browser, which is used for browsing the application like websites. If we don't have a browser, we can't search, we can't visit the website because they have hyperlinks, they have menus, they have links, they have the search bar, which is specially written in a special programming language which is understandable by the browsers. Okay. The today 2.4 browsing and using bookmark is basically linked to that topic, that we browse the application, that we browse the websites with the help of the browsers. Okay. And we will study how our website is divided into the menu, links and searches. Okay. If we have find any website which is interesting one, so how we can save it? Okay, we can save it in a bookmark folders. Okay, bookmark folders means we will mark the websites and that will be saved in a bookmark folder. When we need it in futures, if we have some informations which related to our query, related to our assignments, so we will easily just click on that folder and that website will be open in front of us instead of writing the whole website address in the web bar. Okay, web address bar. Okay, now the first thing you will see in your window is the menu. Okay, what is a menu? Website, I told you that website is divided into different sections, into different categories. Menus tell us the website that website is divided into the sections. Okay, and menus like the content page in a book, like your chapter, like whole your book is divided into different chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. 10 chapters subdivided. Okay, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 like this. Okay, in the same way the menu of the websites means there are different numbers of link, home, contact. Okay, when we click them, there are numbers of drop down menus. Okay, they will tell us about the different options, that this menu contains sub menus. Okay, and different options, and they all are hyperlink. When we click them, when we move from one page to another page, from one website to another website. Okay, and links usually take to another page on the websites like hyperlinks. Okay, I told you that the menus right now you can see home. Okay, like these type of menus on the screen. Okay, when we click them, when we move from some other bar, there is an option of search link. Okay, search link means if we want to search something on the website from the content, we write our query in a search box. When we write it, then we press the button and the content which is available related to our query will be displayed in front of us. Okay, if that image is not contained, if the query does not contain any content related to the website which is available in front of us, they will show no such result will be found. Okay, now in this way we will search the different material which is available on the website, because sometimes there are lots of stuff is available on the website. It is very difficult for us to read whole website, to search each and every line. So what we do, we will use the search box. Okay, what we study menu, that the website is divided into sections, and menus like the content page in a book. Okay, when we click on the menu tab, we will search, we will move to the different section of the website. Links usually takes us to another page of the website. Okay, and links can be words and pictures. Okay, like you can see in front of you. Okay, then search box. In search box we will write our query. Okay, now bookmark. What is a bookmark? Bookmark save useful websites, the websites which are useful, which are useful for our future use. We save them in the bookmark folder. Okay, when we easily whenever we want to search the data related to that website, we just click on the bookmark folder and that website will be open in front of us. Okay, and I also told you how you can make a folder, how you can make a file. Okay, if you want to change the name of the bookmark folder, you can change it. Okay, when you click the bookmark the tab, they will mark the tab, this tab, and if you want to change the name of the folder with your name, you can easily change it. Okay, it's up to you. spot unsuitable content. Sometimes there are two sides of there are basically two sides of a picture, good and bad. Same is with the web is very useful if we use it in a better way, and it's also bad, harmful for us if we don't focus on the content which they are showing, which they are displaying. Okay, so use them and code the information, but on the other hand sometimes the information they are coding, sometimes the information they are providing is misleading, they are incorrect. Okay, how you can check the content is correct or not? Can you check the facts? Okay, how you can check the fact? You can search, you can visit 2 or 3 websites related to that query. If they are providing the same numbers, if they are providing you the same material, it's mean that the content, the quotation they are coding, the numbers they are coding is right one. Okay, sometimes words will be different because it is written by different persons. Okay, person to person words will be changed, but the meaning, the figures will be remain same. Okay, when the informations are written, I told you that in the end of the website there is always date, when it will be modified will be date with day with time will be mentioned in the end of the website. Okay, is the information on the site you trust? Okay, the information is provided on the website, is it trusty one or is trustworthy or not? Okay, we can trust on this website or not. Okay, or it's a fact and opinion. I told you that on the internet, on the website, there are always two type of information: reality, facts, and plus second is opinion. Opinion can be different from person to person, it can be changing, but fact will remain throughout the world same. Okay, now in this window you can see that the author, the owner of the websites is mentioned, who is on the website. I always told you that always website will be owned by some persons, some organizations. Okay, if you are searching some article, always author plus the date when it was written will always be mentioned at the end of the article. Okay, if you see some pictures, some images, they disturb you, close the page. Okay, don't look it again, don't click on any link, please don't forward it, just go to your adult one, trusty one. Please share your image, your experience that you have seen some content like this. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to report the thing which upset you. Okay, how you can report? There is always an button of report, report on the right side of your website. Okay, the content which you can easily search, you are viewing, you can easily report the that button. If when you report, it's mean that there is something fishy, there is something which they want to show. Okay, but they are still showing. They will check the images, they will check the website content, and they will maybe if they need to modify them, they will modify it. Okay, in this way you can give your feedback about the content. Okay, and in this way you can easily deal with the problem. Okay, 6, be sure, be safe. Okay, I told you it's a very interesting world. You will maybe spend your 7 or 8 hours and you have no idea, but you have to use this time, this hour in a better way. How? Staying safe means chatting. Don't chat with strangers. Okay, they are available online. Okay, don't share your personal information, not pictures. Okay, opening file, don't open the picture file from the strangers one. You don't know if you receive anything which looks strange, which look fishy, don't open it. Okay, please don't open it. Settings in social medias, there are some games. When we click them, there are some you can say notification pop-up menus are coming. Please always block them, don't allow them, otherwise they will send you a material which is not according to your level, which is not according to your informations. Okay, so always set your blockers like in this way. Always change your privacy settings. Okay, when you are searching the internet. Okay, be kind and be respectful. If you see something which is hurt you, if someone is sitting with you, they have seen something, they have clicked on some images, always be kind and be respectful. Always discuss the issues with them in a gentle way. Okay, don't be harsh, don't aggressive. Okay, try to search out the things. If you are failed to find the things, please then talk to your teachers or your adult ones, your parents, that this thing have you seen on the net and this thing is disturb you. So please try to find the solutions of those things. Okay, in this way you can help the fellows. Okay, Now help. How you can, I have already told you, if you see something which disturb you, which hurt you, so how you can, there is an option of reporting problem. Okay, how can you report? You can tell the problem with your members, family members which are trustworthy. Talk to them, talk to your teachers that they have seen this thing in school. They will respond to that thing, that abuse and bullying thing, okay, online. Now beta, what you have to do now, I will give you an assignment number 6. That home task is define the following terms. Menu, I already told you that menu. What is a menu? In the menu, website is divided into numbers of the sections, okay, and they will tell us the numbers of options available on the website. Links, we can move from one page to another page with the help of these links. They are the hyperlinks. Search box help us to find the material on the website. Bookmark is used to save the useful information, useful website for the future use. Write a note how to check content on a website. I will tell you steps. That first, check that information is shared from a trustworthy website when they have modified them, okay, and the material which is available is according to your level or not. The content they are sharing is useful or not. The languages they are using is useful or not, okay, and they are shared from a trustworthy resource, okay, and they are facts or figures, okay. You have to identify these are the facts or these are the opinion, okay. Write a brief note on staying safe on the internet. I also told you in my lectures, okay. Now students, inshallah, activity number 2, there is a link. When you click on this link, you will learn how to stay safe on the internet, okay. This link basically helps you. You will learn lots of different tricks and techniques that how you can stay safe while you are searching on the internet. So, okay, inshallah students, now you can easily solve your assignment number 6, and you will also provide all the information I have provided you in this lecture. If still you are getting any difficulty, please you can easily ask any question related to your
What is the internet?
The internet is like a popular thing.
Some satellites up there.
I picture in my head with like waves of internet going to the phone.
Somebody told me a cloud once.
The internet is a lot like plumbing. It's always moving.
Most people don't have any idea where the internet came from, and it doesn't matter. They don't need to. It's sort of like asking who invented the ballpoint pen or the flush toilet or, the zipper. These are all things that we just use every day, and we don't even think about the fact that one day somebody invented them. So the internet is just like that. Many, many years ago, in the early 1970s, my partner Bob Kahn and I began working on the design of what we now call the internet. It was a result of another experiment called the ARPANET, which stood for Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. It was a Defense Department research project. Paul Barron was trying to figure out how to build a communication system that might actually survive a nuclear attack. So he had this idea of breaking messages up into blocks and sending them as fast as possible in every possible direction through the mesh network. So we built what eventually became a nationwide experimental packet network, and it worked. Is anybody in charge of the internet?
The government controls it.
Elves, obviously elves.
The people who control the Wi-Fi, because then no Wi-Fi, no internet. T-Mobile, Xfinity.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
Right?
The honest answer is, well, nobody, and maybe another answer is everybody. The real answer is that the internet is made up of an incredibly large number of independently operated networks. What's interesting about the system is that it's fully distributed. There's no central control that's deciding how packets are routed or where pieces of network are built or even who interconnects with whom. These are all business decisions that are made independently by the operators. They are all motivated to assure that there is end-to-end connectivity of every part of the network, because the utility of the net is that any device can communicate with any other device, just like you want to be able to make phone calls to any other telephone in the world. There's nothing like this that has ever been built before. The idea that what you know might be useful to somebody else, or vice versa, is a very powerful motivator for sharing information. By the way, that's how science gets done. People share information. So this is an opportunity for people to think up new applications, maybe program them as apps on a mobile phone, maybe become part of the continued growth of the infrastructure of the network to bring it to people that don't have access to it yet, or just make use of it on a day-to-day basis. You can't escape from contact with the internet, so why not get to know it and use it?
Stay at your home, beta, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.